Welcome back to another episode of this 4 bedroom upstairs house build. So in this video we are running out some more blocks. Stay tuned my people.
I want 2 inches of space, right? So you understand? So so the next block is. So you go.
For all the beginners and the DIY people, whenever you're tying a block wall, you know you're gonna need 2 inches of space between both blocks. So when the top block is laid, it doesn't pass the face of the one that is beneath it, as I can see in the video here. This will be a closet that I'm working on right here, and a bathroom entrance also to enter into the bathroom for this room. So here I'm plumbing the blocks. Stay tuned guys and watch the process as how we get out this first rough block.
Hold on man, you know the first thing is so. Eh? How do we? Oh!
The closet we know. Watch yourself.
No, if you got say no, no, there's a real, we don't say but no, hear me there say no, he gone in. But he not gone in right side. You realize something now?
I think you. I think.
Want to go either?
Go no.
Want to come?
Go 2 blocks instead of 1.
2 blocks it take. That's why I ask you.
That's not.
That's why I say, let's go no?
I do it.
Yeah. That's why I say, right, no, you walk in.
I do it, you know.
Yeah, so you say that take 2 blocks instead. 2 blocks.
That's
16, 18.
2 feet. That's come out as no, I think I have a one more one.
Say no, what do I know? Say no. What do you walk in there? No, so me say no. Not no black no go so do it so we go in there so. But see the way that's already.
Come back the half there and 2 one will black.
The back room. See the man if you want to pull on us already.
Kalau di belakang aku ni hari ni awak putih. Ni lah. My purpose I make one.
Oh, flush it so.
My purpose I nak belakang aku mo. Dah 2 piece ni.
Yes guys, so this is a small closet and we have a bathroom entrance right there. So this bathroom will be private and this bathroom will be for this room. We have a small closet right here. So we have a 2 feet turn. We'll leave it at 5 black heights for now. We're gonna fill it with concrete, the black holes, and then we carry it up to built-in course. Right here we're getting the mortar mix up for the block work. The mix ratio is 3 barrels to a bag and a half of cement. We are using malt, that's why we use 3 barrels. If we were using sand, then we will use like 2 barrels to a bag and a half of cement. So this is another bathroom over this side, and this bathroom would feed 2 bedrooms. So we have a small passage, a 3 feet passage to enter from each bedroom. So this bathroom won't be private. It will be used for 2 bedroom. We are lining up all the walls in the building and we're gonna bring them up to 5 block heights. After that, we fill them with concrete.
Original Pink Bass production.
Yeah,
Right behind the camera, see?
she's right.
One Pink Bass.
No two.
Yeah, man.
Right, so get it on the way.
We have a piece of scaffold I put on about 30 black height. That the man say?
35.
Come in. It's a rasta. Give me 2 black.
Send up 2 black again there.
Turn up here and a friend up here.
Yeah, send you up. What a friend up here. See chuck over there, so line up full of black. Yeah. Yeah, man. All that stick man over there, so say no, no scaffold. Watch him. Look at him go at work. Come on. Lift it up.
If you have reached this far in the video and you're not yet click the like button, please do so and ensure to share and tell a friend to tell another friend. Support the channel. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so.
Machine what them I use make you man. Machine out alignment. You have to use close pin on them then. I'll pin them back in order. Nice view, yes sir.
Stand up here and a friend up here.
See where we go. That was easy.
Come again, Mr. Roy.
What I was it, man? Good boy. We are going to do.
Yes, sir.
Chop off piece.
Give me a hammer.
Oh. The chopper there.
The helicopter there someplace, man.
Oh, I use it.
And take back the female black. You don't want it. You don't want to one.
Sure.
Yeah. What am I going to do now?
That's enough.
What am I do now?
Easy does it. Cut to fit, fit to cut.
What am I do now?
Yeah, my people. That is it over there. One piece of wall down and many more to go. 13 block heights. That's where we will leave it. Right there it will be belted. Gonna take up that piece over there. Set up the scaffolding over that side, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's a correction out there, so I pick out a window here. Oh, great pink boss. Yeah man, right man.
One thing was.
One more day upon the labor. Yeah man, that is it. We're outside again, my people. Going up with the walls right now. Yeah man, another day of work on the hustle. Look at that. One impressive builders. Yeah man, so don't worry about the block that leave out up there. So guys, the arch gonna go there. So it's not a regular lintel at 10 block height, you know. Yeah man, that is it for today. Nice bathroom in here, so all these wall leave to carry up. Bedroom around here, so we have a next bedroom around the back here. This is gonna extend, get some more space in here. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.